As I film this video, our school is temporarily on online schooling, which is not how I expected the last 3 months of my senior year to go. Basically, I'm making this video because 1, I haven't posted a vlog in a month, and 2, morale is pretty low, not gonna lie. Spring sports just started and now feels like it just ended. The musical barely got to go on. STN was canceled after they've been working on things for a year, basically. It feels like everything that we've all worked so hard on has just been thrown in the trash, and it's not the best feeling. We're a strong group of people. We're gonna get through this. Don't be stupid. Wash your hands. I just want to boost morale a little bit, because in a time full of panic and fear, it's best to have hope for what the future holds. Be smart, guys, please. Let's look back on all the good memories that this year's brought us.
Hey guys, day 2 of senior year.
That we're not doing weights because I didn't have clothes and I was stressing out about it. I was asking everyone, like, do you have clothes? Do you have clothes?
Alright guys, so update on the portfolios.
It's her thing. She has a YouTube channel.
Who does?
Nia. She
We got chance. We got chance.
Good chance.
I feel it.
I'm hoping we put up like 2 touchdowns on them. Yeah, how do we feel?
Oh, I'm just sad.
You're sad?
Like, the boys fought. I like it. But I'm just sad I'll never be out here again. Like, it's just sad.
You make me cry. You know that, right?
Go to the ship.
Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go!
Being escorted tonight by her mom, Christina.